Hey everyone. Today we're diving into something super fascinating, the production process at factories. Whether it's your favorite gadget, clothes, or even your morning coffee mug, understanding how these things come to life can totally change the way you see them. We'll take you behind the scenes and show you all the steps involved from the very first idea all the way to finished products ready for you to use. Let's get started. So, picture a bustling factory, machines whirring, people moving, and products flowing off the assembly line. These places are like mini cities dedicated to creating all sorts of goods. You might find high tech electronics being put together, or maybe it's a factory making stylish clothes. The scale is incredible, with many factories employing hundreds or even thousands of people. Each worker plays a key role in transforming raw materials into items we can't imagine living without. It's amazing how teamwork and collaboration come together in this environment to achieve a common goal. Now, before any production begins, a little magic happens behind the scenes: planning and preparation. This is a crucial step that sets the stage for everything that follows. First up, factories need to forecast demand, which is basically predicting how many products customers will want. Once that's figured out, resources like materials, labor, and machinery are allocated accordingly. Picture a conductor leading an orchestra. They need to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once planning is done, the machines and equipment are set up and tested to make sure they're ready for action. This careful prep work is what makes the production process more efficient and helps avoid hiccups later on. Next up, let's chat about raw materials and the supply chain. Every product starts with the right ingredients, whether it's metals for gadgets or fabric for clothes. Factories must have a solid supply chain in place to get these materials delivered on time and in top notch quality. Imagine waiting for an important delivery. If it's late, it can throw everything off. That's why quality control of raw materials is super important. Factories check everything to make sure it meets their standards. A little bit of care here goes a long way in ensuring the final product is something the customers will love. All right, here's where the real action happens: the production process itself. Let's break it down into a few key steps. First up is material handling. This is when all the raw materials arrive at the factory and they need to be organized and stored properly. Imagine unpacking your groceries. You wouldn't just toss everything around, right? Then comes the exciting part: manufacturing techniques. Depending on what's being produced, there could be different methods like molding, cutting, or sewing. It's like cooking. Each recipe has its own method. Next, we have the assembly line process. Here, workers and machines work together to put everything together efficiently. It's all about having the right people in the right spots to keep things moving smoothly. Now, we can't forget quality assurance. This is where the factory checks to ensure everything meets the required standards. They might do tests or inspections to catch any issues before the products leave the factory. After all, no one wants a faulty gadget or a shirt with the wrong stitching. In recent years, technology has made waves in the production world. From robots that can assemble parts quickly to software that monitors machines, tech is changing the game. Many factories use advanced tools like automation and AI to streamline processes, which ultimately makes production faster and more precise. It's pretty cool to think about how technology enhances quality and efficiency, giving us products that are not only reliable, but innovative as well. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Factories face challenges like supply chain disruptions, equipment failures, or even workforce shortages. When hurdles pop up, it's crucial for factories to be adaptable and think on their feet. They often implement creative solutions to keep things running, whether it's finding new suppliers or investing in maintenance, ensuring they continue to meet customer demands without compromising quality. And that wraps up our chat about the production process at factories. It's a fascinating world, and the teamwork behind it is truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. What part of the production process amazed you the most? Let us know.